let's go back to something already familiar. How would you say, yes, I want coffee? The answer is,
Tak, chcę kawę. Tak, chcę kawę.
yes, I want coffee. And how would you say, I have milk? The answer is,
Mam mleko. Mam mleko.
I have milk. Now a new word. I like is,
Lubię. Lubię.
how would you say, I like coffee? The answer is,
Lubię kawę. Lubię kawę.
I like coffee. Bread was,
Chleb.
and remember, masculine words often stay exactly the same here. So how would you say, I like bread? The answer is,
Lubię chleb.
no change needed on
Chleb.
masculine, so it stays as is. Now, one more word. Tea is herbata, an easy word to remember, obviously related to English herb. In Polish, it means tea. How would you say, I like tea? The answer is,
Lubię herbatę. Lubię herbatę.
I like tea. And one more. Juice is,
Sok.
juice is masculine, so remember what usually happens with those. How would you say, I like juice?
Lubię sok. Lubię sok.
I like juice. Now, another new word. I see is,
Widzę.
woman was,
Kobieta.
so how would you say, I see a woman?
Widzę kobietę. Widzę kobietę.
I see a woman. And how would you say, I see bread? The answer is,
Widzę chleb.
quick check. What does
Widzę chleb.
mean? I see bread. One more. How would you say, I see tea? So we get,
Widzę herbatę. Widzę herbatę.
and that is, I see tea. How would you say, I see coffee? The answer is,
Widzę kawę. Widzę kawę.
I see coffee. Now let's put a few things together. How would you say, yes, I like tea, and I see a woman? Take your time to find the answer. The correct response,
Tak, lubię herbatę i widzę kobietę. Tak, lubię herbatę i widzę kobietę.
yes, I like tea, and I see a woman. Now, how would you say, I want coffee and I like bread? The answer,
Chcę kawę i lubię chleb. Chcę kawę i lubię chleb.
I want coffee and I like bread. Let's switch things up. Translate to English. What does
Mam sok i lubię herbatę mean? Mam sok i lubię herbatę mean?
it means? I have juice and I like tea. Okay, now here's a trickier one. How would you say, yes, I see bread and I want juice? To repeat, yes, I see bread and I want juice. Take your time. Think through how we would say that in Polish. The answer is,
Tak, widzę chleb i chcę sok. Tak, widzę chleb i chcę sok.
yes, I see bread and I want juice. To finish, how would you say, I have coffee, I like bread, and I see juice? You should have said,
Mam kawę, lubię chleb i widzę sok. Mam kawę, lubię chleb i widzę sok.
I have coffee, I like bread, and I see juice. That's 4 different action words now.
Chcę, mam, lubię, widzę.
All work the same way. The noun that follows changes depending on whether it's masculine or feminine. Feminine words like
Kawa, herbata,
and,
kobieta. Shift tu kawę, herbatę, kobietę.
masculine words like
Chleb,
and
sok.
stay exactly the same. Same pattern, every verb, every time.